me, your boy Divine D. Yeah, we back. How y'all doing, y'all? We back. Yeah, it is Thursday, and we back, y'all, for another early bird session where I come to you each and every morning, 6 a.m., helping you control your energy. So guess what? So you can control your life. Good morning, my people. Yo, how y'all doing this morning? I hope all is well. Yeah, it's another great day to be alive. You should be excited to wake up, especially when you're living life on your terms. Yo, and if you ain't living life on your terms, good, I'm glad you're here. Because this is where we make the transition, y'all, from the things that we just obligated to do and making that transition into things that we love to do so we understand what makes us tick. And you know what? We can feel fulfilled at the end of each day, making sure that our days count, making sure we're getting closer and closer to our goals and dreams, and making sure that we accomplish things in this lifetime. Yep, this one, because you know what? You are meant to grow, be great, and provide fruit on this planet. And you know what? We just here to be a little fertilizer for your seed. You know what? So, you know what? Get up. It's time to get out, and it's time to get some. Good morning, my early birds. I see that y'all already checking in. What was going on, Ticey? I see you. Good morning to you. I was waiting for this. That's what's up, Solo. So here he is. Thank you for being part of the show. Chazzy, what up, cuz? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Michelle Stephen. Good morning, my friend. Good morning. Excuse me. Good morning to you as well. What's good, cuz? Solo, what's good? You talked to your dad recently? Yo. To my dad recently? No, I did not talk to your dad recently. Josh is your dad. Oh, what's happening, little cuz? The world is watching. Tasha Thomas, good morning, early birds. Good morning to you as well. Yo, I see my early birds is checking in. Yo, if you are new here on Facebook and YouTube, make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section. Yo, leave a comment in the comment section. Do not be afraid to let the world know that you are here. Remember, spread some good energy. Say good morning. Say a quote that you made up or one that you heard before. It doesn't matter. Say hi to somebody. Just let the world know that you're here, and let's understand that we are a community of positive change. So you know what? I'm not here to be famous. I'm here to be effective. And it's going to take each and every one of us to make sure that we're doing our part, adding to this community so that, you know what, we can make real change, and then we could be around amongst the like-minded, and you know what, we all can grow and show together. What's going on, Michelle Stephen? She got the websites up there. Yes, realfashionstatements.com. Yo, there we gonna talk about all this cool gear that I got and where you can get it from. Yo, and my website as well. She got the website up there as well. Thank you, Michelle, for sharing that. Make sure that if you're here, please make sure that you share this broadcast. If you hear something inspirational, motivational, or just, you know what, just have some information, yo, make sure that you share this video, y'all. Today we're gonna talk about, you know what, problems versus possibilities. Yo, we're gonna talk about problems versus possibilities. We're gonna talk about that in a minute. And if you know what we gotta do before we start anything else off, right? We gotta play some music. We gotta, you know what, play stuff that makes sure that gets us motivated. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead with this first video, which is Zooty Baby with Successful, y'all. Yeah, we promoting Zooty Baby with Successful. I want to get y'all this video. I want y'all to check this out, and we'll be back right after this. We're gonna talk about problems versus possibilities. So you know what? Make sure you stay tuned, and we're going to talk more about that in a minute. What's going on, Mario McCoy? Like I say, leave your comments in the comment section. We're going to put them over the videos. So, man, give us a good morning. Give us, like I say, a quote or something. Just spread some good energy. And like I say, watch it over the videos. We're going to place your comments over the videos. So, yo, we're going to get into Zooty Baby first with Successful. And we'll be back with y'all in a minute. Good morning, early birds. The world is watching. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Yeah. They say hard work pays off. So every time I'm in the booth, I give it 110%. Cause when you this far at the bottom, the only way to go is up. Yeah.
All I ever wanted was to say that I made it. Made it out the hood, I'm that nigga Zooty Baby. All I ever wanted was to take care of my mom, take away the problems, make it out the hood, be the kids' role model. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. I remember those nights I couldn't sleep right. On an all-night flight till the sunrise. Go and get it by any means, never satisfied. Zooty Baby, I'm the dream like Elijah Wine. I know I made it hard for my mama to sleep at night, knowing I wasn't home, living that street life. I was sick and tired, I was down on my ass, I ain't ain't have a dime. Got on my grind, and the money started multiplying. They gave my nigga life, he tryna give back that time. Hoping for sunshine, cause I ain't seen too many rainy days. I ain't seen too many niggas throw their life away. I promise I'ma make it. I can't end up like them niggas, no, not it, baby. You gotta be patient. It don't happen overnight, it takes some dedication, some motivation. I'm determined, baby. All I ever wanted was to say that I made it out the hood. I'm that nigga city, baby. All I ever wanted was to take care of my mama, take away the problem, make it out the hood, be the key role model. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. When it rains, it pours when it rains. I'm tryna soar with the eagles while you tryna clip my wings. I strive for success, I'm hoping for change. When Big Bug died, I cried in such tremendous pain. I wish I couldn't change, they threw dirt on my name. I knew I would prevail, look how far I done came. Mama, please don't cry, it's gon' be alright. I watched my mama cry for so many nights. Like a star up in the sky, nigga, I'ma shine bright. Swear to never tell a lie, spend my life behind the mic. I'd rather keep it real, so I rap about my life. I remember all them nights we recorded in the studio. Wanna gamble with your life, but let the dice roll. I'ma take my chances with this music, whoa, whoa. I'ma take my chances with this music, whoa, whoa. I'ma take my chances with this music, whoa, whoa.
For everybody who chasing a dream, who just wanna be successful. Hard work pays off, believe that.
Be the kids, role model.
I just wanna be all I could be.
I'ma take my chances with it. All I ever wanted was to say that I made it out the hood. I'm that nigga city, baby. All I ever wanted was to take care of my mama, take away the problem, make it out the hood, be the kids' role model. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful.
That was Zooty Baby with Successful, one of my favorite records, y'all. Make sure y'all go check him out on YouTube. Zooty Baby with Successful, y'all. Good morning, my people. I hope all is well with you guys. Yeah, we've been grinding, y'all. And you know what? I hope all is well with you guys. And if it's not, y'all know what we do to change that, right? Let me tell y'all about it. Control, Alt, and Delete. Control. You got to control. Control your environments. Control the things that you are in and around. If the environment you're in right now are not conducive to your growth, remove yourself. Yep. You got to remove yourself, y'all. You got to control the only thing on this planet that you can control, and that is you. Can't control other people, can't control other things, but you can control you, and you have to hit the control button in your life. Or sometimes you got to hit that Alt key. Choose some different alternatives, especially if the things you're doing right now are not working to get you there fast enough. You have to choose some different alternatives, especially if the things are just not getting you there, it's not working. Remember, I tell you guys each and every day, success is a blueprint. Failure is a pattern, and you got to watch the patterns of your life and make sure that you're following the blueprint towards your success. And you know what? Sometimes you got to hit that old delete key. Yeah, delete situations, relationships, and sometimes even people. No matter who it is, what it is, or how it is. If it ain't good for you, it gotta go. I don't care if you're laying next to him or her. I don't care what the situation is. If it's not helping you in progressing your life and helping you grow, yeah, you gotta hit the delete key. Unfortunate as it is sometimes. And just like that old computer, You can hit Control Alt Delete in your life, especially when your life start acting up, freezing up, not doing what it's supposed to do. You can hit Control Alt Delete in your life, and then you can get a refresh, a reboot on your life, and you can start operating the way you need to operate. Sometimes that's what we need to do, especially when our life is acting up, it's freezing up. It's not doing everything that we wanted to do and not operating the way that we want to operate sometimes. So sometimes it's just real important to hit Control Alt Delete, take a stop, make sure that we're in control of our environments, controlling our energy, controlling where we at. Yeah, being very intentional about our success. And to do that, like I said, we have to hit that Alt key, making sure that we're doing things a little bit different than we always done. And remember, we can't do the same things and then think we're gonna get somewhere different. Yeah, we gotta choose some different alternatives. You gotta do things that are just a little bit different than you normally do. And like I say, just get rid of the bad things in your life. So Control Alt Delete. That's what we do each and every day when, you know what, we just need to make sure that things is on the right path. We need to make sure that we Control Alt Delete our life so that we can operate the way we need to operate, my people. Good morning, y'all. I see everybody is in the building. Yo, who we got in here? Pebbles First says good morning, Mario McCoy. Thank you for the trophy solo. What's going on? Got the black fist up. That's what's up. Good morning to you as well. Yo, we're going to get into our next video, and then we're going to talk about it. Yeah, we're talking about problems versus possibilities, and we're going to get to that in a minute, and we're going to talk about that in a minute, y'all. So let me get y'all to this next video, our last video today, and then we're going to get into it, y'all. Problems versus possibilities. Yeah, we're going to talk about what that means, y'all. So I'll get to this video, and I'll see you guys in a minute. The world is watching.
Hey, Nation. Don't give a fuck, cause in this moment I got shit on my mind. Just to test a nigga hard, I put that bait on the line. Tryna level balance out, I meditate all the time. Learn my lesson, turn my blessings into one of a kind. I'm gon' stand up face to face to anything in my way. Mama told me never let my feelings get in the way. I'm waking up like how the hell can I get better today? I gave myself that confirmation, boy you already great. I'm undefeated, I feel the genius inside me alive. Took a minute, rewire vision, I finally arrived. You can feel it in every lyric I speak in my rhymes. No competition, I'm totally different, you fully advised. Heavy on the grind, working my relationships to even out the odds. Stacking up the money, put some people on the job. Heard some people sleeping, so I'm turning up the knob. I am just another living version of a god, taking care of my body so it fully get to thrive. I've been traumatized, I've been ill-advised. I can't sympathize once I emphasize I'm undefeated. This shit is deeper than a rap. In fact, you gotta know the meaning. Misunderstood, hope you ready when I come undefeated. I took some blows, got back up and told them demons undefeated. Every time they count me out, I come back harder undefeated. I feel that Holy Ghost inside me, they admire my glow. I told myself to get back up when I got down on my low. I told myself that I won't let these people snatch out my soul. I told my dog ain't tell him shit because he already know. And I'm on my savage, just trip to Paris, my arrogant flow. And I got that Frankie Lucas Montana, that heroin dope. Never want you to confuse it, my music just therapeutic. Oh, I meant therapeutic. I'm in that coupe, the new 6. I'm with my queen and my kids. I need them much as my ribs. I must invest in my shield. I'm like the best in my field. They lack the patience, be still. I'm activated, I'm going ape in that gym. You look inside, it's that gym. Don't be afraid of that shit. Let no one tamper with it. I got control of all my demons. I've been king ever since. I'm on a totally different frequency. It's too evident. I'm in a new element. I'm on some you ain't legit. On another level, hungrier than ever, like I'm locked into the cellar. Never question God, I know he working for the better. Got him where I want him, ain't no letting off the pedal, undefeated. This shit is deeper than a rap, in fact you gotta know the meaning. Misunderstood, hope you ready when I come undefeated. I took some blows, got back up and told them demons undefeated. Every time they count me out, I come back harder undefeated.
That was my boy Ace Hood with Undefeated. Yeah, you are still undefeated. Remember, God ain't made no mistake. I ain't got no PSA that God started, making mistakes. So understand this. Stop waking up like you woke up by one. You didn't wake up by mistake. Wake up with some intention and understand that you have purpose and tremendous value. Yep, you. I'm talking about you. You're one that's just listening. Yep, you right there. You got tremendous value. So stop playing yourself small. Yo, it's time to grow. It's time to get up. It's time to get out. It's time to get some. It's time to make sure that we are, get to the ultimate versions of ourselves. It's time to turn our dreams into reality and our passion into profit. Each and every day, y'all, is a day to get closer to that. Each and every day is a day to, grow and grow towards, these possibilities in life, y'all. And that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about problems versus possibilities, y'all. Before we do that, remember, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I know we didn't do it yesterday. We had some technical difficulties. But you know what? Every Monday and Wednesday and Friday, don't remember, y'all, we still getting toned at home with Maddie over at Victory Life Hacks, y'all. When your life need a hack, claim your victory over at Victory Life Hacks. And get toned at home with us over here at the Early Bird Show. She comes to us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from Houston, Texas. Chimes on live and give us an online 10-minute workout, y'all. You wouldn't believe how much you can get done and how much she can work that body in only 10 minutes. Yep, everybody got 10 minutes, y'all. So that's not acting like we ain't got time for ourselves, and make sure that we at least dedicate 10 minutes. And then we talk about stuff with our mind. You know what? Maddie comes and helps us with the body. So you know what? Mind, body, so our souls can be right, y'all. So make sure that you log on with us each and every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And remember, like Michelle was talking about, it's the Discover Your Champion campaign. Yes, each and every one of our shirts and now our hats and everything else will be printed with Champion apparel. Yes, will be printed with Champion apparel. Discover your champion. So the world is watching. Expect success, legal money, whatever. Our early bird gear is now printed with Champion. So thank you, Champion, for linking up with us. Yo, it's time to discover your champion today. Yo, go get you a piece of, a piece of fashion that makes a real statement over at realfashionstatements.com. And get you, discover your champion over there, or go to my website, divine-d.com, and you can find it there as well. Make sure you get you a piece of apparel, y'all. Get you a piece of fashion that makes a real statement and reminds you each and every time that, I am here to be great. I am here to discover my champion. So, make sure that you guys, go on the website and, grab you a coffee cup, get you a hoodie, get you a hat, get you a t-shirt, whatever it is. Thank you for the support. Listen, we don't ask y'all for no money or nothing. So you know what? Just share the videos, and if you can, go support and get you a piece of gear that kind of, let you know that you are meant to be successful. This don't say pray for success. This don't say ask for success. This says expect your success. So you know what? I expect my success because you know what? When you in alignment, and when I say in alignment in your energy, alignment in your purpose, alignment with your God, it's only your job to make sure that you in alignment. And it's his job to make sure that, everything else that you ask for, the blessings come down. But you got to make sure that you do the things necessary in your life to be able to receive those blessings. So you got to align yourself. You can't just sit on the couch. And I tell you guys each and every day that, don't ask God to order your footsteps if you ain't willing to move your feet. So you got to be willing to get up. You got to be willing to get out. You got to really want to get something. And if that's you, you know what? You're on the right track. But let's make sure each and every day that we making them days count. Yeah, today. But just like yesterday, make these days count. And if you haven't, that's okay. If you haven't, been focusing on you and your career or whatever it is that you like and want to do in life, it's okay. You can make the decision today to say, you know what? I'm ready right now to start making the rest of my life the best of my life. But you got to do the things necessary to make sure that like I just said, that you're in alignment for all the blessings. Because as we know, it's God trying to bless us, the devil trying to take it away. We know that. And as the devil trying to take it away, we got to make sure that we in alignment with God so we can kick the devil's ass. Yeah, we got to make sure that the devil can't, infringe on our greatness, infringe on our success, infringe on, everything that we are designed to be. We're going to align with God and make sure that we equip and tool ourselves so that the devil's tricks just won't work with us. Yeah, it won't work with you. But you got to, it's a little work. Listen, if it was easy, everybody be doing it. But this is why it's only for the special. It's only for the elite. It's for those who ready to make the decision in their life to say, you know what? I'm tired of living like I've been living. I'm ready to do something different. I'm ready to inconvenience my current life for that one that I want in the future. So if that is you, yo, you're in the right place. Thank you. You know what? And each and every day, we just trying to drop a little fertilizer for your seed because we know you meant to grow, be great, and provide fruit on this planet. We know that you worth it and you matter. And you know what? You are blessed. And you know what? God had not made a mistake by having you here. So you know what? Stop acting like you are a mistake. Stop acting like you don't have any value. Stop, you know what, playing yourself small to make other people comfortable. Stop asking for, you know what, acceptance. And stop asking for, you know what, permission to be able to go after it. Waiting for people to align with you. Remember I told you the other day, call me crazy because I don't want to be your normal. Because I don't want to be whatever the normal is out there. I don't want to be that normal. Call me crazy. I'm okay with being crazy. Because you know what? I'm going to live my life, you know what, in a crazy matter, what seems to be crazy, but it really is not crazy. What it is just that, you know what, this is your place. You are supposed to be blessed. You are supposed to be abundant. You are supposed to be able to live life and do whatever it is that you want to do as you spread, you know, greatness and serve others, y'all. You are supposed to be great. You are supposed to be successful. Don't let nobody tell you nothing different. Yes, there's a place, and there's a place in success that is designed just for you. There's no other person like you in the world, although that we all have abilities and sometimes we have similarities. But you know what? God made you with a unique ID that he didn't give nobody else. He gave you special talents that he didn't give nobody else. He gave you a purpose that he didn't give nobody else. He gave you dreams and goals and other things that he didn't give nobody else. So make sure that, you know, all these things that he gave you become real and make a place in your life for them. Because you know what? They are here for you. And you know what? You can't continue to live your life without being everything that you need to be, the ultimate version of you. Y'all, today we're going to talk about problems versus possibilities. And what I mean by that is this, y'all. Either you can look at life through the problems or you can look at life through the possibilities. And what I mean by that is this. Yes, it's hot in here. I need to turn the fan or something on. Essential air conditioner. Yo, you could choose to look at life through the problems, or you could choose to look at life through the possibilities. And like I say, when people ask me, Devon, what keeps you motivated? What makes you go hard each and every day? You know what? How have you been able to, you know what, keep the determination and stay going after all these years, after trying and failing certain things, after even being successful in others? How do you continue to push and continue to do more and more and more? And I always tell people, it's not about the things that I do want in life. It's about the things that I don't want in life. You know what? I didn't want to, you know, growing up, I didn't want to sell drugs. I didn't want to be in jail or be running or being chased or robbed and, you know, all that, everything that come with being in the street. I didn't want that. You know what? I was from that, but I ain't want that for my life. I didn't want to go to college, just like I say. You know what? I didn't want to do any more school. I was tired of high school. I was glad I got out of there, so I didn't want to go. I didn't think I was a college fit. You know what? So, you know what? I had to design my life by, you know what, understanding that, you know what, I'm not going to be a bum. You know what? Even though I'm not going this way and I'm not going that way, there's a special place designed for me on the planet, and I'm just searching for it. And my whole entire life, that's what I've been doing. I searched the globe, trying to find places and possibilities that's going to help me grow and do the things that, you know what, I never imagined that I could be doing. Well, I can't say I never imagined. I did imagine them, but sometimes when you come from certain environments and situations, you don't think that you will ever really get an opportunity to either experience or be a part of certain things. So, you know what, through the determination and through, you know what, looking at the possibilities and understanding that, you know what, we are given the same 24 hours a day, and it just depends on what we're ready to do with our 24 hours. This depends on where we're going to be at the end of the day, where we're going to be at the end of the week, where you're going to be at the end of the month, what you're going to be doing at the end of the year. So don't look at life through problems, because if you look at it through problems, those are what's going to discourage you. Those are the things that's going to, you know what, give you this false reality of, you know what, that it's just too hard and you can't do it and everything else. Because, you know, people will tell you about the problems. You know what? They give you a little bit about possibilities, but they always tell you about the problems. And I'm here like say, you know what? Let's erase and let's switch that. Let the possibilities motivate you. Let the possibilities give you something to shoot for and give you the determination to say, you know what, I'm going to keep going. Let the possibilities say, you know what, if that is possible, you know what, forget the problems. Yo, I want to go towards the possibility. I want to go towards the greatness. I want to see and experience and put my energy towards the success of my life. I don't want to keep giving the energy to the problems and to the environment and blaming and complaining about who, what, and when and why, and you know what, this didn't happen. Now, as I tell you guys each and every day, no, don't stand in your story. Let's stand on your story. Stand on it and make sure that it gives you power. Yeah, we understand that you've been through some things and they was hard, and you know what, people used and abused you, or you know what, you can't trust it. I understand. We do. We understand that, you know what, everything hasn't been easy getting here, but you made it. So I understand. That already tells me that you're a warrior. You made it. So that tells me that you have the ability to make sure that, you know what, that you can survive through, you know, a lot of different things. You made it this far. So understand, you know what? There's power in that. There's success and there's, you know, strength in you just making it this far. Now let's use that strength to say, you know what? Let's even take this a level up. Let's take this a notch higher. Let's say, you know what? I know where I am, but this is where I want to be. And each and every day is a day to get closer to that. Each and every day is to get on that escalator and let's start growing and start evolving towards these goals and these dreams, and you know what, this ultimate version of ourselves that we know that we are designed to be. Let's stop looking at the problems and let's start looking at the possibilities. Let the possibilities drive you. Let the possibilities, you know what, show you that, you know what, that it is possible. And you know what, don't let, you know, other people or just your situation or where you grew up limit the things that you think that you are able and that you have the ability to do. You are meant to be great. You are meant to let the world know that you're here. I ain't talking about just the 10-block radius that sometimes we just grew up in and get. No, not that. We are meant to grow across the world and let our light shine. We are meant to let the world know that we are here. We have inventions, ideas, and businesses that, you know what, that we are meant to just, you know, the place in this earth and not take to the graveyard, not take to the place that they say all the dreams, the greatest dreams, the smartest people, the brightest ideas, the next event. Don't let those dreams die in the graveyard with you. Let's understand while you are here on this planet that, you know what, this is your time. Right now is your time, not later, not when things get perfect. The imaginary illusion of, you know what, when everything get together and I get this and my stimulus come, I'm gonna start. No, let's stop waiting on the stimulus check and let's stimulate your mind to understand that, you know what, you can create a check in your life anytime you ready, but you got to make sure that you are conditioned. You got to make sure that your life has, you know what, evolved into something different than what it has in the past. Yeah, understand. Listen. I ain't saying whatever you've been through in the past, you know what, is gonna hold you down. What I'm saying is, you know what, your past is your past, but your past ain't your future. So understand this, whatever that you've done in the past, whatever you feel you haven't messed up or you should have, or you would have, listen, we ain't gonna harp on that. We're gonna say, you know what, the past is the past, but what I'm gonna do with my present and my future. Remember, whatever you used to be, whatever you used to do, you can make a decision to stop that and change that and do something different. You have the power to make sure that, you know what, this is your life and you gotta lead it in the direction that you are meant and willing and want to go. But you got to have the courage to say, you know what, I'm ready to control and delete some things. I am ready to, you know what, I'm ready to stop doing this. I'm ready to make the sacrifices. I'm ready to, you know what, put my energy into me. I'm ready to stop looking out the window and blaming and looking at what everybody else is doing. I'm ready to start looking into the mirror. I'm ready to stop looking at the problems, and I'm ready to explore my possibilities. You got to be ready. And if you are ready for that, then each and every day, yo, let's make sure that we tasking ourselves out. Let's make sure that we making these days count. Let's make sure that we making, you know what, today a day that we say, you know what, I got a little bit closer. You know what, I did this. I accomplished that. Man, I've been putting this down forever. Yo, get closer. You make time for each and everything else. You make time for other people. When people call you and ask you for favors and ask you to do this and do that, you make time for that. So why are you not making time for the most important person in your life, which is you? Yeah, I know we might say our children, but listen, if you can't lead the children, if you can't input nothing into them that, you know what, that nobody can take away, the information, the motivation, the determination, the belief that and the hope that they could be somebody great, yo, what is it all for? Remember, we're here to take care of us, ours, and others. Yeah, us, ours, and others. And as we take care of our family and our friends and our kids and everything else, yo, we got to make sure that the first word is us. You got to make sure that you take care of you. Yo, build the legacy. Put something inside of you and put something inside your, the ones that are looking up to you and depending on you. Give them something that nobody can take away from them. The belief, the information, the inspiration. You know what? To know that, life is up to me and what I do with it. Give them that. Understand and just be an example to say, you know what? If I see somebody else living like that I can live like that too. And that's all we trying to be as an example to show the next, because as they watch videos and as they look out the window and roam around the blocks, they seeing all the, D-boys doing this and this and that, and they think that's what success is. And we got to give them a different look and say, you know what, if you want to, you can have that same, you can have even more if you do it this way without the worry. You don't have to be a product of your environment. You're just a product in an environment. And you don't have to, be a part and think and be doomed to whatever, what you have grew up in. You can make the decision to say, you know what, just like I did, hey, I don't want to be on a block, and you know what, I don't want to do this and I don't want to do that, but this is what I do want to do, and carve out that piece of your life, carve out your piece of the world that belongs to you, that is meant for you to, share all your great and just brilliant abilities, y'all. You are worth it. You matter. You know what? You are loved by people who don't even know you. I don't know you. You know what? I ain't grew up with you. We ain't, some of us ain't friends. Yo, but each and every day I want you to know that you are loved, that you worth it, that you matter, that you are meant to be great, that you have, there's a success. There's success in your life, and there's a lot of successful milestones that you're going to get to and reach, and let those motivate and keep propelling you. Yo, it's time for us to understand our power, y'all. And it's time for us to keep understanding that it's time to expect your success. Yo, and to expect your success is expect more out of yourself. Yeah, I always do the self-accountability thing, because you know what? We can't keep depending on government and somebody else and somebody else and somebody else. Only be disappointed about something that we want in our life. Something that we're supposed to say, you know what? I'm supposed to be the captain of this ship. So let me make sure that I'm in the driver's seat and not waiting on somebody else to lead me or keep telling me or to show me or to wait for them to give me something. Or, listen, I ain't never seen Publisher Clearing House come to the hood and give nobody $1,000 a day for the rest of their life. So listen, I don't know nobody who giving away good life tickets just on the cuff. So you know what? We're going to make sure and ensure that our life is going to be what we designed it to be. Yo, you are the captain of your own ship. Let's make sure that you're looking at the possibilities of your life and not the problems, because there's always going to be some problems. But you know what? The problems are just evidence that, the things that you're going for are working. And what I mean by that is this: as God trying to bless you, the devil trying to take it away. So as you getting up and you trying to go, the devil going to throw problems. He's going to throw, situations. He's going to throw, obstacles and things in your way to try to deter you. He needs to get you back on his side. And you got to say, you know what? I recognize that. I know what you're trying to do. And he's going to use anything or anybody to be able to get at you, y'all. So sometimes you got to be smart and wise enough to be able to say, I recognize this. Yo, and not make sure that we not reacting to everything in this irate and ironic manner and sporadic manner. Yo, understand that, you know what? Here go the devil trying to throw another one of his tricks to stop me from going where I need to go, right? We ain't gonna allow this to work. Be in control of your energy. Like I say, is you can be in control of your energy, you can control your life, y'all. So thank you guys again. Thank you guys for logging on. And like I said, I don't ask y'all for no money or nothing, but please just do me one favor. Share these videos. Yeah, just hit the share button. It's right there, y'all. Just hit the share button. Whether you're on Facebook or YouTube, make sure you just hit the share button. Let's spread the information, the inspiration, or just the motivation to not just help us, but somebody else, y'all. Let the ones who trying to be nosy on your Facebook page, yeah, give them something to see. The ones who trying to figure out what you're doing, who you're doing it with, give them something to see. Give them understand that, you know what? Stop looking at the problems and worry about the possibilities, not mine. Worry about your own possibilities. Give them inspiration and motivation. Give them something to understand that, you know what? That they need to stop looking out the window and start looking into their own mirror. Yo, share this with somebody who might not come to my Facebook page or might not see me on YouTube, not catch my channel. Share this with them, yo. They ain't gotta like me. I'm not here to be famous. I'm here to be effective. And you know what? I'm just dedicated to the transformation of our people, our minds, our body, our souls, our beliefs, and how strong that we know that we are. We got to make sure that we bring that back and be, and understand that there's some security and there's other powers that are working alongside of us that want us to be successful, that want us to be great, that want us to make it. And you know what? We don't hear enough people that tells us each and every day, especially on this level, somebody that, you know what, that you're going to see in the street, somebody that you go, you know what, can bump into in the grocery store, or bump into in Walmart, somebody that, you know what, your success ain't determined by what I'm going to give you or whatever the case may be. Yo, I want your success is for you. And you know what, as long as you being great and being that example for you and your us, ours, and others, do your thing, because you know what, this is a community, and if everybody in the community is, going after and being great and serving each other, listen, just think about what our communities really could be. Think about what really could happen. Let's think about the possibilities and let's stop thinking about the problems. If we keep concentrating on the problems, we ain't gonna never get to the possibilities. I understand, we ain't gonna keep blaming and complaining and just trying to, woe is me and blame this person. They ain't gonna, listen, who is they? You know what I mean? It's like playing a video game. You ever lose in a video game? Like, man, they cheating. Who is they? You don't have to control it. You understand? You the one that was controlling the man. Who is they? Why are they cheating? No, it ain't no they. It's you. You'll understand that you are in the controls of your own life. And when things don't work out, we can't keep saying they or that or somebody won't. No, we got to say, you know what? This is a learning experience. If I didn't do it right the first time, try again. You were born in that. When you fall off your bike, what you do? Get back up, try it again. Same thing in life. We can't lose that when we're going after our goals, because you're not going to get it right the first time. You know what? Remember, like Rudy said, hey, 21 days a habit. It takes 21 days to change it, to create a habit and to change one. So you know what? He said at the end of the 21 days, you're probably not going to be exactly what you thought you were going to be, but you're going to be on the road and be in the process of everything that, what you are designed to be. So you know what? Get on your 21 days and then start another 21 days. And after them 21 days, start another 21 days until success is a lifestyle for you. So don't worry about the problems, y'all. Worry about the understand and focus on the possibilities of your life. I would like to thank y'all for logging on with me each and every morning. 6 a.m. This is what we do each and every morning. Early Bird Show. 6 a.m. helping you control your energy so you control your life, y'all. And before you go out into this wild, wild world, it's just real important that we make sure that we have intention, that we have purpose, that we make sure that, we got things that we're going to make today, do. We're going to make sure today count, and today is another notch on our success chart, y'all. So, each and every day, that's what we do, y'all. So thank you for logging on. Please, each one, teach one, share this, please. And you know what, man? Y'all go out here and be great, because that's what you designed to do. I love you. You know what? You worth it and you matter. Don't let nobody else tell you nothing different. Listen, I don't care if you're laying next to him or her. I don't care if they're a long-time friend. Listen, if they not good for you, get them out of here. And you know what? Understand that it's time to stop looking out the window. It's time to start looking into the mirror. It's time to make your dreams a reality and your passion a profit. But you got to stop looking at the problems and just focus on those possibilities. And then as you create and as you achieve those possibilities, you're going to continue to create new ones. So let's keep going in that direction. Let's keep loving each other. Let's keep serving each other. And you know what? Thank you guys for logging on and being here with me each and every morning, 6 a.m. right here for the Early Bird Show. Thank you guys. Good morning. You guys go out here and be great. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, y'all. So remember, we're getting toned at home with Maddie. So 10 minutes, y'all. We're going to make sure our body is right as we make sure our mind is right so our souls can be right, y'all. So thank you guys again. You guys go out here and be great. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 6 a.m. right here back on Facebook and YouTube Live. It's the Early Bird Show, y'all. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, Early Birds. The world is watching, y'all. Make sure you give them something to see. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.